types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help you too. Just go to getrefunds.com/news.
Red light camera ahead.
And answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to getrefunds.com/news. That's getrefunds.com/news. Want private, personalized service? Hi, this is Ronnie Heller at Barron's, the Bay Area's largest bridal showroom. We have 5 stars on Yelp because we put clients first. Right now, we're serving you by an appointment only. There's no waiting. Take your time and shop our huge inventory, or have our craftsmen create a unique custom piece. Make an appointment online at barronsjewelers.com or give us a call at 925-452-1700. Barron's, a legacy of elegance.
If you see a student being bullied, be supportive. Ask if they're okay and invite them to join you. You'll be an ally and you can make a friend. Friendship! Visit StopBullyingSpeakUp.com and join Cartoon Network to rid out your world without bullying.
Late on a Saturday night, let's check those roads. Here's Frank Munich.
Well, we're looking at a new problem being reported on northbound 880 just before the 80 split in Oakland. We have an accident there and not much else in the way of detail. The CHP heading out to the scene to try and see whether a lane is blocked. We have a tree on fire off of the shoulder of northbound 680 at Concord Avenue. This reportedly not blocking lanes, but we do have a number of fire crews on the right-hand shoulder. We have a problem on northbound 280 just past Alpine Road in the San Mateo Highlands. That's a solo car crash, one car in the center divide, that left-hand shoulder. Just a reminder that we have updates 24 hours a day on our Twitter feed at KCBS AM FM Traffic. Your next traffic update at 11:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Mostly clear and a bit breezy overnight. Lows mid-40s to low 50s. Tomorrow sunny, a little bit windy at times. Some expected highs for your Sunday. San Francisco, San Jose, SFO, and Morgan Hill all looking at a high of 68 degrees. Fremont and Napa, 67. Livermore and Redwood City, 69. Concord and Santa Rosa tomorrow should get up to 72 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Find what you love at the Mila Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill. Out of your dreams and into your kitchen. Select the qualifying built-in kitchen appliance package that is right for you with unrivaled technology and luxury-grade quality. When you bring home a Mila, you're bringing home true innovation. Now, for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with a purchase of a qualified
Red light
Mila
camera ahead.
Visit the Mila Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at freedmansappliance.com.
Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. Fremont Bank has the flexibility and motivation to service your business loan needs like other banks can't or won't. With our full suite of business loan products and recognition as a top SBA lender in the Bay Area, Fremont Bank is the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Fremont Bank. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender.
Okay, 3 more climbers, 7 loggers.
Ted's Sustainably Sourced Logging Company is growing a new branch.
What about truck driver contracts?
Which means a new HR manager will be the first hire to fall.
Then we'll need to staff up the warehouse.
Indeed can help him hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. You can schedule and conduct virtual interviews all from your employer dashboard. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Realtors abide by a code of ethics. This is Article 9 in action. Beth, a first-time homebuyer, knew nothing about the home buying process, except that she wanted to buy a home. But her realtor had the expertise to make sure Beth understood every document, even giving her copies to review with her lawyer so Beth could close on her first home with confidence. Complicated things explained in simple terms. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
KCBS News Time, 11:42. There are a number of organizations that could use financial help these days. KCBS's Dan Mitchinson introduces us to one organization that's acting as a broker between those who want to give and those who need the help.
Think of Lever for Change as a broker between funders and nonprofits.
So what we're trying to do is to help donors meet the scale of the need that's out there.
Cecilia Conrad is CEO and tells me her organization facilitates grants that range between $10 and $100 million. As to why only 10% of multimillionaires are involved in philanthropy.
These donors are smart, well-intentioned people who are risk-averse.
So it's her job and others with the company to show them projects that are closest to their heart and will most likely get the biggest return on investment.
They don't want to feel as if they are wasting their money or could have spent it in a different way and had a bigger impact.
And she says when those opportunities are presented to them, donors are not surprisingly open to opening their wallets. Dan Mitchinson, KCBS.
A legendary San Francisco donut shop is expanding outside the city. A Bob's Donuts is set to open in Mill Valley this month, according to the San Francisco Chronicle. Another Bob's Donuts is being planned for Santana Row in San Jose. That one expected to open in summer of 2023. We'll have a Saturday night look at sports in just 90 seconds.
At Prime Mail Medical, they understand how frustrating it can be to experience difficulties in your intimate life. Their mission is to provide you the medical care you need for improved performance.
At Prime Mail Medical, we have virtually every medication known to man to help men. We specialize in treatments for ED and low T, and we have a 99% success rate. Most impotence problems can be treated in just one visit.
That's Dr. Robert Rowley from Prime Mail Medical.
We offer a variety of treatments, including high-dose sublingual lozenges, ultrasound-based shockwave therapy, and injectable therapies. We can also treat testosterone issues when needed.
Prime Mail Medical in the East Bay and San Francisco. Get your customized evaluation for just $99, which covers a full year of free visits, including a PSA test, testosterone test, and ultrasound. Call now, 415-761-4037, or go to primemailmedical.com. That's 415-761-4037.
Local elections across the country have far-reaching implications for the Bay Area. We're breaking these issues down on The Home Stretch, Odyssey's new original podcast. How did we get to this point in 2022 where this is the thing that everyone is feeling anxiety about? I'm political reporter Doug Sovereign. Each week I'll talk to a range of experts to give you a 15-minute download of the most pressing issues on this year's ballot. Download the Odyssey app and follow KCBS and listen to The Home Stretch on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Coming up on KCBS.
It's that time of year. I'm Kathy Whitman. When to start planning holiday travel.
If you think the fares are too high, guess what? They'll be higher next week and the week after that.
Okay. KCBS News Time, 11:45. Time now for sports. College football. Apparently, Stanford students and alum had something better to do today. It was a really small crowd at the farm on Saturday. Those who did show up, though, were rewarded as Stanford kicked 5 field goals to edge Arizona State, 15-14. At Berkeley tonight, Cal came up a little short. The Bears losing to Washington, 28-21. Playoff baseball, the Phillies down the Padres tonight, 10-6. Astros blanked the Yankees in the Bronx 5-0. That means that both Philadelphia and Houston are 1 win away from advancing to the World Series. Hockey, Sharks lost to the New Jersey Devils 2-1. With more sports, here's KCBS's Ted Ramey.
Last week, the Warriors announced a 4-year, $109 million contract extension for Andrew Wiggins. He was asked, why do it now as opposed to waiting until the end of the season?
You never know what the future holds. I'm happy here. We have a chance to do something special, and I believe in what we're doing here, and I believe in the guys, the organization. So we got a deal done. Happy about it. I have no regrets. I'm excited for Tuesday.
And what he was feeling when he signed the extension.
I was happy. I was very happy. That we got the deal done. Because I wanted to stay here. I feel like obviously there's going to be less pressure going into the year, knowing that I'm playing for a contract. So that's all behind me, so I can just focus on basketball, and winning.
Wiggins and the Warriors are off to a 1-1 start to their season. They host the Kings tomorrow at 5:30 from Chase Center. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.